Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing this pink half cut crease using the Morphes 15B palette. So I'm just going to jump right into this video, guys, and I'm actually going to be doing my brows for you guys on camera. And lately I've been loving the Katvondbeauty Super Brow and the shade Walnut. So I'm going to spoolie my brows up. You guys don't mind Penny if you hear her in the back. She decided to follow me around. So I'm basically just going to mop out. What a mom. I'm just gonna map out my brows, basically tracing over my natural brow shape, and I'm just going to basically fill them in. I'm not doing anything fancy, nothing too bold, just like a neutral brow today. Then I'm going to prime my lids using my Colourpop concealer. I was going to say Tarte, I don't know why. So I use this concealer as a base all the time. I feel like it helps my eyeshadows pop. So I'm just going to take the Morphes 15B palette, and I got this palette from Ofracosmetics. And I'm just going to use this natural transition shade. It's like a nude color. It's like almost close to the color of my skin color. So I'm just laying that color down. Then I'm going to go on top of it with this brown shade here. And I'm just going to blend for life, basically. Blending this brown color out because I want it to look nice and soft. Then I'm going to take this pink peachy shade. And this is basically going to be the main color of my look, and I'm going to basically build this color up. I'm just going to keep building it and blending it out. And you guys are going to see that it starts to get deeper, this shade. And as you guys can see, I'm like showing you the whole entire blending process because I do a lot of blending when I'm doing my looks because I want to make sure everything is well transitioned. So then I'm going to go in with that same concealer, which is the Colourpop concealer, and I'm going to basically create a cut crease, but I'm only doing that halfway, so it's a half crease. And then I'm just going to pat that down with a clean brush, and then I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade from this palette. Guys, the thing I have to say about this palette is that the shimmer shades do not pick up very well. So I had to keep digging into the palette, which was kind of frustrating, but in the end, the look turned out really good. But I just didn't like the payoff for the shimmer shadows. So then I'm going to go back in with that same light berryish shade, and I'm going to fade that in. So of course we're using Huda lashes because they sent me so many Huda lashes in the PR kit. So I'm just using this lash applicator to apply the lashes, and I love this applicator, guys. Like, I really hate putting on eyelashes, but it works best with this. So then I'm going to take this Tarte mascara, and I'm going to apply it all over my lashes, even like on the edges, because I want them to be like super dramatic. And this is the first time I'm going to be using Hudabeauty's face primer, and I actually liked it. But just when you get this stuff, don't apply as much as I did because I kind of went ham on the primer. So just apply a little bit, and then you're supposed to let it sit for 20 minutes until it dries. So now that the primer is dry, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, and I'm not sure the shade now because I'm not home. So I'm going to put all of the details in the description. Of course, I'll have the shade of my foundation and the shade of everything else down below for you guys. So I'm going to go in with that same Colourpop concealer, and I'm basically going to conceal my face as I usually would. You guys know I do it down my nose, underneath my eyes, my chin, and like about 3 to 4 strikes on my forehead. So then I'm just going to take this over brush to blend out the concealer. I feel like it stretches the concealer more so that you're getting more use of it and you're not wasting as much as concealer as you would if you just use the wand and then use the beauty blender, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to basically spread that concealer, and then after that I go over it with a beauty blender. So guys, I've lately been loving the Hudabeauty baking powder, so I just decided to try the translucent one. I was using Sugar Cookie, but I wanted to try this one, and we're actually going to let this sit and bake on my face. And you guys know you bake everywhere, you basically conceal your face. Then I'm going to go in with this Tarte bronzer while I'm still baking, and I'm going to basically contour out my cheeks. And then I'm going to wipe away that excess powder. I'm done baking, so it's time to get rid of all that cocaine on my face. And then I'm just going to contour out my nose using that same Tarte bronzer. And the bronzer is in the name Park Avenue Princess. And I'm also going to be using a Tarte blush today. I feel like this is like a Tarte tutorial or something like that, which wasn't even intended. And again, we're going to use something from Tarte, which is their setting spray. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty blenders to get that spray nice and like tucked in my skin. So I'm using this Ofra highlighter. I believe the name is Rodeo Drive. It's very pigmented. I love this highlighter, guys. And I like the fact that it's very like portable. So I'm just going to highlight my face. You guys know I go crazy. With highlighter, I do not play. Like, I don't hold out at all. So I'm just going to highlight my entire face with that highlighter. And then I go in and do my under eye using that same Morphes 15B palette. So for lips today, we're using Hudabeauty liquid lipstick. The shade is Sugar Mama, something like that, Sugar Bear, something like that. Not sure. Again, I'll have the details in the description. And the last thing I like to do is create little like black marks on my face, like basically where my freckles are. So we're just going to take this headband off, and now we are all done. This hair is from my last hair review. I colored it pink. It's from You Glam Hair. I'll have the details in the description for you guys. But till next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed weekend, guys. Bye.